वेलकम बैक। आपको बराह रास्त रावलपिंडी ले चलते हैं जहां इंग्लिश टीम के फास्ट बॉलर जेम्स एंडरसन मीडिया से बातचीत कर रहे हैं।
James, hi. There's no fast bowling coach on this tour. Oh, hello. How have you found that responsibility? I know you've kind of been a sort of de facto kind of player coach for a little while in terms of passing on your knowledge and experiences to the younger bowlers, but how have you kind of found it kind of not working with another fast bowling coach this time around?
I think it's been really good for us. I mean, we've only been out here for, a week or so in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, sorry, and then a few days here. But as I said, as bowlers, we talk all the time to each other. There's not many seamers here, to be honest, so there's not much to coach. But we're just trying to, as I said, trying to make sure we've got all bases covered for every eventuality, and make sure we, what fields we might set, talking specifics about their batters as well, trying to work out plans for them. But yeah, I think, at this level, it's happened for a few years now in the test team in particular, where we sort of, I wouldn't say we're self-sufficient, but we do look after each other and try and, we've got great analysts, we've got other coaches around us, we've got some of the best captains that the world's ever seen in our group, so we can pick their brains as well, and we feel like we've got what it takes to be able to take 20 wickets in each test match.
And have you enjoyed that aspect of it? Is it something that you probably want to keep doing even when the playing stops?
I mean, you're talking as if I've been coaching, I haven't done a thing, mate. I've been concentrating on my own game, and as I said, it's something I've felt like I've had that responsibility for a number of years, where I've got experience, a lot of experience of playing, so I can try and help guys that come into the group.
आपको बताएं कि इंग्लिश क्रिकेट टीम के फास्ट बॉलर जेम्स एंडरसन न्यूज कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे थे रावलपिंडी में। उनका कहना है कि पाकिस्तान में क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए पुरजोश हों, ग्राउंड और पिच कंडीशन के मुताबिक अपना अगला लाहे अमल बनाएंगे।